Enhance the experience of your customers on Uber Eats with a suite of features and tools on Uber Eats Manager. A well-designed menu can help to increase your orders and encourage repeat customers. In the menu section, click the Overview tab and see your full list of menus. In the Menu tab, you can create different menus for specials or different hours of the day, such as breakfast and dinner. To showcase your food and drinks, go to the Categories and Items tabs, where you can add new items, update descriptions, and set prices. Build customer trust by including accurate photos and enticing descriptions. For a personalised touch, head to the Customizations tab to manage your toppings, sauces, and other custom modification options for your items. A well-designed menu can help to increase your orders and encourage repeat customers.